Hey guys, Rajiv here from Financial Hub India. So today's date is 4th of January 2018, and I am saying Nifty here. So I'll be talking about last day on the 3rd January, Nifty trades, the intraday trades, and this is a it's a trading for a living series, and today is our day 3. We made a profit of 15,000 yesterday. So let me just share with you the profit and loss thing here. So this was the profit here for yesterday, and we had 5 trades, 1 trade hitting the stop loss of 1 hour. We had a good day actually. We just hit 1 stop loss and 1 trade with a no profit, no loss, and 3 of our trades exceeded with 3 hour, 4 hour, and 4 hour. So the R is the risk per amount. Risk per trade, the risk amount per trade, which is 1500. And if I'm saying 3R, it means that 3 times of 1500 we made, which is 4,500 kind of thing. So this is 1 hour, 0 hour, 3 hour. So that's how it is 10 hour, and then 10 into 1500, that's 15,000 profits. We are counting 1 lakh capital. And in 1 lakh capital, we are using 60 to 70,000 for the Nifty margins. On an average, we are using 5 to 6 slots Nifty for intraday purpose, and around 35,000 for the profit and loss up and down, to manage that part. So that's how it works out. Okay, now let's go to the yesterday trades. I'll start right from the daily chart first of all. So if you see the daily chart, no, nothing much happened. This is the daily candle. Nothing much happened. The price really didn't break the key support level here, and neither the key resistance level here. So basically, on a daily time frame chart, it's not much clear really what really happened in there. But in an intraday time frame, in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, even in hourly, you can see a lot of price action happening over there. So let's go to the members area and start from the right. We'll start from the first chart here. So this is a 5 minute time frame chart. Now in the 5 minute time frame chart, okay, I have shared the 5 minute and 6 and daily chart all together. So as I told you, the candle was right over here in daily, and nothing you see much over there. But in a 5 minute time frames, do you see a channel over here? So before the market opened up, we were expecting, okay, we'll be trading this channel for the day, but it didn't really happen because the market directly opened up around here somewhere. Okay, so the next chart. So price, that level you are seeing there, this level is nothing but this support level here. It's a very strong support. So price opens up above this. So definitely, we are trying to find our buying strategy over the support level. Price is trading above the support level, so you're supposed to go for the support level for a buy and trade strategy if you find anything over there. And what will be the target in that case? The ultimate target will be this resistance from where we have been trading this market, this sell-off since day before yesterday. So this should be the ultimate target. Overall, this is a resistance zone, as you can see here. So much of selling pressure here, right? So in between this channel, see, whenever you have a broader channel, generally you have a mid key level line inside there. Okay, so the way we have it in here. Sorry guys, my throat is not actually good today. Anyways. So this is an overall channel here, you see, and in this channel you have a key level in between here, and this is where the Nifty took support yesterday, basically. So the same way you have a midline over here too. See, these are simple price action. I'm not doing anything complicated thing. This is what we see on the chart, and you just need to see it. And these things works amazingly. These levels works amazingly. You see how the price is really, pushing from that level. If you're not taking this one either, if you're just going for the recent price action level, this is amazing. And this is the channel. This channel we have been trading for Tuesday. Most of the trades we have done in this channel only. All right. So this is the midline over here. So your first target should be this one. If you're buying it here, second target should be this one. And now it matters how you manage it over there. Then price coming back down here. Then we found out a strategy playing out. Then you're buying it. This arrow is basically once we bought it somewhere within this channel with the strategy we follow. Then the price was looking like, okay, it's coming back down, even though stop loss is not hit, but it looks like, okay, we are going in minus. So we were planning like, okay, no problems. We have this resistance. We have this box to trade. So we will be looking for a breakdown move below this, which we did actually at the end of the day. So anyways, so this is the result. Finally, we bought it here, we exited over here, then it was not able to move up to here. All right, then next, what is this? Okay, so this is an update from a student. Basically, he made around 7 hour trading here. Even I couldn't trade that basically. So anyways, now this line you see here, this resistance line you see here is coming from, from here, from this part. This is the same line. I mean, this sell off, basically this sell off. So since price was taking resistance, just excuse me for a minute. Sorry. Since price was reacting to this resistance and sell-off is coming down, sell-off is coming, so we thought like, okay, it looks like the sellers are really getting aggressive in this area. So any kind of sell-off things, we'll go ahead with it. All right, and we'll again go back to this target level. So finally, we got it. We got a pattern, and this is a simple pattern. Even I shared in the free channel. So these are triangle formations. You see, triangle breakout structure we got. Formations of the lower highs and the equal support level here. So you got a breakdown over here. Then on a pullback, you're supposed to look for the sell signal over the resistance. Simple trade. Again, nothing complicated. You can use your strategy on this. If you can find the levels here, if you know in which level you are supposed to trade, you can use your strategy basically to get into the trade. Only the thing is that the money management, the risk management will have to be taken care of. That's it. Rest, the level remains same, irrespective of what strategy you're following there, right? Okay? So this is my system actually. These three monitors are there. So this big screen is dedicated for a 1 minute time frame chart. The whole day actually, though, I'm playing the 1 minute chart in here. And then 15 minute and 1 hour, 15 minute and 1 hour time frame chart is playing in here, and this is the terminal where which I use for the for the order execution over there. Okay, so this chart, this is going, now what I was sharing is that we are making lower high, and it's been, I think I posted it around 12:30, which is around 3.5 hours. So for 3.5 hours in 1 minute time frame chart, we are making lower high. That's a big thing. That's a big thing when you can make it in such a lower time frame, in 1 minute time frame chart. That shows the stability of the trend. And finally, you won't believe the market ended with this trend structure only, the 1 minute time frame trend structure. You see the market coming back down here, going up. Okay, next swing, and here there's a retest again, coming back down. Yeah, still the lower high is maintained, lower low is maintained. Right. Okay, next. So we bought it again back in here. So which is this level? This level is the same level, which was in here. So we sold it here, and then we bought it back again here. Yeah. Easy price action. And then, okay, so once we bought it here, looking at the trend going on, lower high, the stability just now I spoke of, so you see there is a flip resistance we had. So once we bought it here, what we were planning is that if we see the price is really reacting to this level on this flip resistance, what will it show? It will show that the price is really, even after taking a support right over here, if the price is not breaking this overall trend structure, downtrend structure here, then that is a bad sign. That means that we are really going down. We want to see the lower high structure to be broken and price shooting up. That didn't happen, right? And that's what happened. And when we saw that, we trailed our stop loss to the break even wherever we entered here. I can't share with you that thing because that's a part of the advanced course, the strategy. So once we saw that, okay, price coming back up here, don't go. Then we trailed our stop loss and we exited. And then we planned, okay, now we will be trading this key level. No issues. We'll be trading this key levels. Once to get a breakout move above this, then yeah, we can get in. So that would be a better trade because you're out of this channel and now you're free to go towards upside. The pattern is broken. The structure, 1 minute downtrend structure is broken. So you're free to go now in that case, and you still can have a good risk on reward ratio in this. It's a big gap. Basically, we have 25. Yeah, we have 30 points. We have 30 points momentum, enough for the intraday. Yeah. Next. Okay, so the same thing what I talked about. You see, on the first chart, I talked about this thing, right? See this, yeah. So I was telling that, okay, we are ready to trade this channel either way, right? So price falling back down here. Now what? This was what, resistance, right? Or support? This was support when price was falling from the up and down. It was support. Now the support is broken. As you all know, in the foundation course also, I taught you guys that this becomes a flip resistance. So look for sell. What do you look for in what really you look for in the resistance? You look for sell, isn't it? So what we did here, we did the same thing. Look at this. What this arrow mark is. See guys, we are down, going down. Now price coming back up here, go for sell. Look for your selling interest strategies, price action strategies, and go into the trade there. Any more charts? No more charts. Okay, nice. So what really happened finally? Let's go to 1 minute time frame chart. So we had a trade over here on this resistance, and then sorry guys. And then what do we where do we exit at? Do you see this level? Do you see this level? I've showed in here. Oh, sorry, the first chart. Do you see this level? Yeah. So the way we have been managing this channel using this midline, the same thing is applicable in here, isn't it? So if I'm short in here, my first target should be this, and second target should be this. The ultimate target should be this, isn't it? So once I hit this level, then I started. By the time we sold it here and price reaching this level, we were in around fiber profit. So we have been trailing on a stop loss based on our basis because the market was in the closing side. So we exited the trade with the 4-hour gains. Okay. So this was the trade, exited with the 4-hour gains, guys. Okay. So that's it. That's it for today. From today's market, that's it from the yesterday market, and hopefully I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with the new trades. Yeah. So let me know if you enjoyed these trades, and whatever I've shown you, these are simple trades. These are simple price actions, nothing complicated. If you have already done my foundation course in the website, you can easily do this. The only thing is that you just need to know the strength of the trend, because sometimes if it's a support, not necessarily all the time we'll buy the support, right? So you need to understand the strength of the trend, the strength of the swings, and the strategy you're playing out. It should be a solid one, having proper money management, having proper stop loss placement, how to trail the stop losses, how you manage the first target and the second target. Because if you always exit on the first target, then you will never be able to go up to the ultimate target, right? So you need to know how to manage those things. So you just need to apply your logics, your theories on the levels. The levels are always dancing with you. It's always with you guys. Thank you so much for your time here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.